Austin, on this trip, how many things we came across for this little episode?
A couple.
We saw the bear track.
Yeah. There was some tracks involved.
What was the other thing you saw? Something?
I saw Bigfoot. Well,
What do you think it was?
I thought it was a Bigfoot, but it might have been a Bigfoot-like creature. It was around normally 10 feet tall, 9.5 feet tall, 10 feet. It was just observing. It wasn't even like made a noise or anything. It just observed, which was creepy. I thought it was a guy in a suit, but I'm like, that's on stilts enough for that to be typically.
So you might have seen something. We heard woods where you were pointing at when you said you saw something. I definitely heard cracking going on with the woods. Pretty much what we see is what we see, what we hear. What we hear is what we hear. Right, Austin?
Yeah, and we made noises to see if it would respond. It didn't.
No response, no nothing.
Nothing. And there was only 4 people at the time. It was me and the camera, my dad, and 2 other people. That was it. And they were leaving, so we were the only 2 there.
Yep, the only 2 that were there were from Utah.
Yeah. U-Haul, wow. Wow.
From Utah.
There you go, boy.
And they were leaving. So that's it for this episode. What do you got to say at the end there, Austin?
Bye.